Hey, I've got some great news. You look a little down. We can have a party for 20 bucks and 5 people. Life can be a struggle, but a good meal does not have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes for under $2 a plate. We are going to have a taco party that costs $20 for 5 people. And we're gonna do all of our prep in advance so that we can actually mingle and rub elbows with the soon-to-be elite. We're gonna make carnitas, and it starts with this piece of pork butt, which is heavy, and it's also very cheap. First thing you need to know about the pork butt is that it oddly comes from the shoulder. It is super duper flavorful. Why? Because it has a high fat to protein ratio. And you can elevate it with items from around the home. Paprika. This is gonna add a lot of smokiness and an unforgettable color. You do eat with your eyes first. Granulated garlic, which is the same thing as garlic powder, it's just a little bit fatter. Cumin, it's gonna give you all kinds of exotic flavor. Sugar, mustard, very good combination. Natural antioxidants in mustards take away that gamey taste in certain meats, like this one. You do want to make sure that you have an even coating of your spices and condiments all over. But I'm not done there. We're gonna add a can of beer to braise this, to add even more flavor and more moisture. This is cheap-ass American beer, and it's awesome. Foil, we don't want the beer to evaporate. We want to stay in there. This is now gonna go in the oven for 3 hours, which gives us plenty of time to make the tortillas and prepare the playlist. The theme of our taco party is FAF, F-A-F, fancy as f***. And the way to do that is not to buy tortillas, no, it's to make our own with different flavors in different colors. Masa flour, it's cheap. It's just milled corn and lime, and it's delicious. Tortilla number 1 is going to have garlic powder. That sounds F-A-F to me. Water, fundamental, and you can really mix them up any way you want, okay? It starts coming together, boom. You're not really trying to knead it, you're just trying to fully hydrate the masa. We do need some plastic wrap. Boom! And this has to just hang out. Let the water and the masa become one for like a half hour. Boom! Tortilla number 2, masa, cumin, paprika, flavor and colors. Water, boom, 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 boom. Fork. I implore you to use whatever herbs and spices you have. Do you have stuff in the packet drawer? It looks a little messy, but it is not difficult to do. And the smell is strong of both corn and cumin. Plastic wrap, ball, sides, a little love just so it doesn't roll away. And on to our third tortilla. Masa, limes. Let's see if we can get a 2 for 1. Yes, we can! This is gonna add tang. I think something's missing. Sriracha. When mixed with the masa flour, emit a perfume that is absolutely lighting up my nostrils. All right, plastic wrap. Set it out. We've got our 3 tortillas. These guys need to hang out for an hour. Now it is time to press them. Take a zippy bag and cut it. You're coming in and you're looking for something about the size of a golf ball, maybe slightly smaller. Put it into the envelope. All right, how about a soup pot? It's round, it's flat, and I can make it heavy. Boom! Gorgeous tortilla, give it some love in the pan. You're baking strength into your tortillas so that they can be a vessel that actually hold things rather than crumble apart. So continue at your leisure. Stack these high like a skyscraper that boggles the mind. Cover them with a towel and start working on your meat and toppings because we need to put something in those tortillas. If this party is gonna rock hard, we need to make every single thing fresh and delicious, which is why I'm gonna show you how to make a cheap salsa that tastes better. You don't even need a grill to have delicious grilled flavors. Get a little char, boom. I can smell it, smells wonderful. I already know that this is gonna be better than just raw tomato. It's awesome. 1 jalapeno. Houston, the heat shield. Boom. This is all roasted and it smells great, and the people down the hall, they know you're having a party. So I hope you're planning on making extra. These have now cooled enough to the point where I can handle them. Tomatoes in. The jalapeno. If you want it to be spicy, you can leave the seeds in. If you want it to be mild, you can pull them out. If you leave them half in and half out, medium spicy salsa. Brilliant. Okay, garlic, onion, cilantro. Try and go fresh because fresh makes a difference. Cumin, the world is your oyster or your salsa. Lime. Funny fact about limes, they don't have seeds, so you don't have to worry about any of that shenanigans potentially breaking a tooth. I don't know about you, but I don't have dental on my plan. Tomatoes can take a lot of salt. Do not be afraid. Mix this together, guys. We are in good shape with the salsa, and hey, guess what? The meat's done. Let's check on it. My friends, the moment of truth has arrived. Hey, hey, hey! Forks, get in there. Oh my goodness. Look at how soft it is, guys. The meat is just falling off the bone. All of the extra fat that rendered out with the beer is now being reabsorbed. Very important, once this is shredded, moist, delicious. It's crazy to think that $20 gives us all of this, and we have even more toppings. I chopped up some limes, radish, beautiful cilantro leaves, tortilla. I try my best. Obviously, we have our pulled pork, we've got our salsa, we've got our 3 varieties of tortillas. What more could you want? My guests to arrive, but they're a bit tardy. Don't overstuff. Don't do it. Don't do it. Resist the urge. Look at that. You can't copy this by buying pre-made stuff. It doesn't work. You've got to make it yourself. I hope I drilled that point home. Now let's try it. Really good. This feeds 5 people and it's only 20 bucks. And the effort that we put into it completely makes the fact that we have no money disappear. And my friends are here now, all 4 of them. You should start cooking now.